Hi, friends. Today we're going to get down and dirty and play with some Thomas the Train engines. First, we have. Who is that guy? You're right. It's Thomas. Next, we have. Who is that guy? Good job, Henry. Who is this guy? I got it. It's Gordon. Is it Gordon? Gordon's blue, right? Just like Thomas? Yeah, I think it is Gordon. Next, I'm Victor. Oh. Yep, that's Victor. You guessed it. Who's this guy? Good job. It's Salty. And let's see. Who is this? Look closely. Sometimes if you don't know the name of our trains, you could find it on the back. This, my friend, is Victor again when he was red. If you've watched all the Thomas movies, you'd know. And this is... I'm Diesel 10. Now that we've identified all of our trains, we need to make some tracks to put them on. Please take note. In order to put the tracks together, we have to match the pieces that interlock. So you put them inside of each other and you press it. And there's 2 tracks. I'm going to put more. Let's get Thomas out of the way and build some tracks. Here's my other track. And I'm going to push it down. Hang tight, guys. Hang tight. I am busy building. Can you do this? Here. That's part of my track. If you look closely, it's not together. We have to make it fit. Just like that. And another one. And one more. Jeez, I'm having such a hard time right now. Okay, what do we have? This shape goes around and round and round. It never ends. What is it? That's right, it's a circle. Now we have to take our train and pretend just like this. Choo choo. Can you make the train sound? Choo choo. Chugga 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 choo choo. Good work, guys. Now, how about you try another train? I'll take Victor, the red Victor. And I'm going to put him behind Thomas. He's going to push Thomas along. Can you do this? Whoa, try not to crash. Good job. Well, that's it for today. All we had to do was make our trains go round and round. Whoa, isn't that cool? Now you practice. Bye.